It's 15th December 2022, just coming up to 11:30 in UK time. That's 6:30 New York time. This is pre the New York Open session, and on the Forex side, Forex Factory side, at 7 o'clock in the morning, we have some really high impact news, at least on the pound, which will have an effect on what's going on in the market. And that's the official bank rate and also the monetary policy. So I think we can expect to see some high volatility coming into the market. Yesterday's trading was impacted by the FOMC at 2 p.m. New York time. But recapping on the analysis I was looking at yesterday, my area of focus was this green bar that you see down here, which is highlighted by the demand bar on the 4 hour. We've now broken that demand. We had two touches just by here, so the 2 p.m. area was the second touch, and coming in this morning, third touch is weak, which meant that we're actually going to break that demand now and go down even further. On the 4 hour, there isn't much indication on the candle side of things to give an area of supply at the top. If we drop down, I'll use the 1 hour to start with. On the 1 hour time frame, we do have what looked like a pin bar, a bullish pin bar, but it gets engulfed by this huge candle to the side. So there's aggression towards the downside just by here, and you can see that we have 4 candles in a row, followed by some sideways movement, and then continues to go down. So there's definitely an aggression and a sell-off going on at the moment. If we drop down to the 30-minute, we can confirm that a little bit further just by looking at the candles again. This looks like a bullish pin bar, but again it's engulfed by this candle. We have another one by here, so there's plenty of areas of supply coming in to the market, which is pushing prices further down. So now that we've broken this area marked here, we can expect it to go down much further, and we can keep that narrative going by just dropping down into the lower time frames, and you can start to see we have a drop and a base candle by here and another drop. We have a rally just by here with a basing candle being the engulfing, bearish engulfing, and then a further drop. So this, in terms of ICT area, is a market maker sell model. So the initial consolidation happens in this area. We do have fair value if we look to the left, and price goes up to an area of premium, and then we get to the right side of the sell model. So that's a market maker sell model just going on by there, and this is where we have down by here we have equal lows. So I'm anticipating price to actually come all the way down to this level as we hit the sell-off today. But that completes it, I think. At the moment, I don't see an entry point coming up for me right now. If we go back to the hour and we look at the price action from price action theory ICT stuff, find my epic pen. Alrighty, I can find the icon. refresh that. Yesterday we initially had, I was down here looking at that, we had an entry point by here for a buy, and we could have rode it to the top. That in total, if we measure it, there was good opportunity there for 60 pips. A 3 to 1 at 10 pips would have got us some pips out of the market. In terms of the model I have to confirm the direction, we have this, ignoring this wick that goes down for the time being, we have this high and this low and this high by here. So to the left on either side we would have had fair value marked by these boxes here. So there's plenty of stuff going on that side. Okay, there's consolidation there, but we do have this area here, which the swing low does interact with. So there's fair value in all this area. We've got stops here, we've got stops below. This is the first fractal. So it's the market maker buy model, which played out yesterday. Then we have the reverse. Oh, geez. We have an area which we can mark as sell side imbalance. Even I would say this area, we've got sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So price has just collapsed and gone through that, and this formed a breaker at this point. So we can anticipate some movement back to this level and potentially get in on a sell somewhere around about here, I would say, for further price action to the downside.